Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. This podcast was prompted by a tweet by Dr. Hesham Sadak, MD, PhD, Chief Division of Cardiology, University of Arizona, Director, Sarver Heart Center. In his tweet, he said, "Excited to share our latest article. 7 years ago, my then 9-year-old son was diagnosed with K210 deletion dilated cardiomyopathy. With help of my colleagues, Dr. Joseph Wu from California and Dr. Saktivel Sadhyapan and Enzo Porello, we identified an FDA-approved drug that corrects the mutation." This article was published in JCI and published today. It's hot off the press. The study investigated the K210 deletion mutation in genetic cardiomyopathy, which leads to impaired myocardial contractility due to calcium discoordination. Risedronate, an FDA-approved drug for osteoporosis, was identified as a potential corrector of this mutation. Key findings of this paper: Risedronate restores calcium binding domain structure and improves calcium sensitivity. Improved contraction velocity in inducible pluripotent stem cell derived cardiomyocytes with K210 deletion mutation. In vivo, Risedronate normalized LV function in K210 deletion mouse models. What are the clinical implications? These findings suggest that repurposing Risedronate could offer a promising therapeutic strategy for genetic cardiomyopathy. Future research will focus on long-term safety and applicability to other sarcomeric mutations. Godspeed, Dr. Sadak's son and other patients who have this mutation.